So it's time to throw the Junebug Foundation under the bus. And here's the reason why. So I'm on Pet Finder right now.
Yeah.
And this is a picture of our puppy Zoe that we just adopted from the Junebug Foundation. We paid for her rehoming fee, which was $450. We signed a contract with the rescue and the foundation that she's at. And I even have a copy of the contract. Now, seeing this photo back up on Pet Finder really upsets me and my fiance, because there were false allegations made towards us to the foundation. Somebody sent stuff from my Facebook page and told the foundation and the rescue that our apartment and that my fiance and I are unsafe people, and that our apartment is unsafe, which is not true at all. We would rather have our baby girl home. So if you guys see this ad on Pet Finder, please report it immediately, because this is our dog. She is our dog because we signed the contract and we paid the rehoming fee. Now, the Junebug Foundation is not getting back to us to refund us or anything like that.
No?
And
Where is it?
I did recommend them to some people, and now that definitely has changed. So yes, report this ad on Pet Finder, because this dog has already been adopted. It already has a family. It already has a home that it could go to, and etc., etc. I don't know what else to say about this. I'm shocked to see that my dog's picture is back up here, and all we want is to bring our baby girl home. So, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, do your thing, because after signing a contract, the foundation and the rescue can't refuse to give us our puppy. And that's the law, according to Google. And I will show you guys that exact screenshot that a friend sent to me, because we have a copy of the contract that is signed and dated from 2 weeks ago. So, me and my fiance live in California. And according to AI Overview, in California, a dog rescue generally cannot legally refuse to give a dog after you have paid for it and signed a contract, as this constitutes a breach of valid, legally binding contract for property. Dogs are considered personal property in California. However, if the contract contains specific valid clause that allowed them to rescind the adoption, such as finding safety issues or falsehood in your application, they might have legal basis to withhold the animal, requiring you to seek legal remedies such as filing a lawsuit in small claims court. And I think that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to file this in small claims court because they are illegally refusing to give us our dog. So that way we could bring her home. All because they are believing in all the hearsay that is false about us. I hope everybody has a nice day. And I hope you guys do your thing because this is wrong on so many levels.